is in the color Red. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this very fun look and I did use the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. Shout out to my girl Harley. This is actually her palette. She let me borrow this to create this look. I do throughout the video, once I'm applying the eyeshadow, give you some first thoughts on this palette. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look and what my thoughts are on this palette, you are in the right place at the right time. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. So we're going to start off today with priming, and today we're using the Body Shop Tea Tree Pore Minimizer Primer. I'm then going to go in with foundation, and today I'm using the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir in the color 705 Ivory. I'm going to buff that into the skin, and today I'm taking a Real Techniques beauty sponge. For concealer, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer, and I'm in the color Fair Warm. To set the concealer, I'm going in with the MERCIER Translucent Setting Powder. Then to set the rest of the face, I'm going to be going in with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder in the color 12 Buff Beige. I'm going to bronze up the outsides of my face today using the Tarte Park Ave Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. And for blush, I'm going to go in with the Lancome Oil-Free Powder Brush in Sheer Amorose. So off camera, I just popped on my eyebrows, and today I use the, say it with me, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Soft Brown, and I set them with some good old hairspray and a spoolie. I did also wipe off some of the concealer that was on my lips because it was getting a little bit crusty. I did notice that my under eye is a little bit patchy, so I tried to fix that with some powder, but it still looks very patchy. So I don't know what's going on with that. Could be a combination of things, but that's neither here nor there. We're gonna keep going. The show must go on. So I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit, and we are going to dabble into, this is the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I have to give a shout out to my girl Harley. This is actually her palette. I do not own it, but I am borrowing it for this video. So I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit. So we're going to dabble into this palette today. It's very hard to open, just so everybody is on the same page as me. So we have a lot of really bright colors in here, and then we also have some neutral colors and some colors that we've seen in some other palettes as well. This color specifically is calling out to me, so I'm going to try to use this color and potentially this color up here as well. So I'm going to first go into the color Glucose, which is this really pure white, no shimmer at all shade, and I'm going to place that on the lid and into the crease area with a flat shader brush. And I'm doing this really just to have a good base to apply other colors. So So once that's on the eye, I'm going to go into the color Sugar Cane, and I'm going to use that as a transition shade today. And I'm going in with a fluffy crease brush to do so. I will say the colors are really powdery. Like as I'm applying this, I can see sort of the powder flicking up. I'm going to intensify that crease color, and I'm going into the color right next to it, which is Cake Mix. I'm gonna then go into the color Tongue Pop, which looks like a really nice pinkish peach color, and I'm gonna apply that to the crease area. And to do so, I'm gonna go in with a Luxie 249 double-ended brush, just the crease part. The shadows definitely have a little bit of pickup, and that is causing a little bit of fallout. It's normal. And I will say the color of each shadow is surprising me. Like it's not what I thought it would look like. Ooh, things are getting harsh today. Alright, so just wiped away some of the fallout. Just a trick, I think I talked about this in one of my other videos. I take a really dense, like this is a dense, firm brush, and that's what I use to wipe away any fallout. I do tend to like to do my face makeup before my eye makeup, so fallout can very quickly ruin the look. So find a brush that you like and works for you to wipe away that fallout. Going in with the same smaller crease brush, I'm gonna go into the color Prick, which is actually the color I'm most excited to use, and I'm gonna place that in the crease, and I'm also gonna use that on the outer V a little bit. I'm just finding that the color payoff is just not exactly what I was hoping for. This is my first time using a Jeffree Star palette, so I don't know. I can't speak for any other palette if they're like this by him, or any other eyeshadows. I mean, everything just kind of looks monochromatic. I'm so disappointed. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna try to intensify the look a little bit and get a little bit more color in here. So I'm gonna go into the color Cherry Soda, which is a really dark red color. And I'm gonna apply that with a small pencil brush. And I'm gonna just focus that in the crease for now because I didn't want the look to be super red. Also gonna drag that onto the outer V. I'm gonna go back into the color Prick, which is the orangish red color, and I'm gonna just blend everything together. For the rest of the lid, I'm going to go into the color Candy Floss, which is like an iridescent purpley pink color. And I'm gonna apply that to my whole lid, and I'm gonna just use my finger to do so. And I'm going to deepen the outer V a little bit more, and I'm going to go into the color Blood Sugar, which is a sparkly, it's like a metallic red color. I'm going to apply that, just a very little bit of that, on the outer V. To highlight the inner corner, I'm going to go into just the pure white color, which is Glucose. And I'm also going to use that up at my upper brow bone. For the lower lash line, I want to go into this really vivid, bright color called Root Canal. I want to use this on sort of the outer part of my lower lash line, and then go into this hot pink color, which is Cavity, on the inner portion of my lower lash line. So to do that, I'm going to go in with an angled brow brush. First gonna go into root canal, which is the purple color, and I'm gonna sweep that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with a pencil brush, and I'm going to go into the color Cavity, which is the neon pink color. I do feel like this needs something else. I don't know what. Let me see what I have. I actually just got this. This is the L'Oreal Silkissime, I think, eyeliner in the color Highlighter. So it's like a really nice rose gold shade. I'm gonna pop that into my waterline and see if that gives me a little pizzazz. What I'm talking about. I'm gonna go back in with the pencil brush and just blend everything together. And again, back in with the purple shade. I'm going to throw on some eyeliner. I feel so much like this look is just it's not wowing me yet, so I need some eyeliner. I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner for this look, and I'm gonna try to do a pretty big wing. I'm gonna pop on some mascara. Today I'm gonna go in with the Clinique High Lengths Mascara. So the eyes are complete. I dropped mascara on my shirt, so that's cool. Rest in peace, this sweater. We are going to throw on some highlight. Today I'm going to go in with the IBY Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter in 24 Karat Magic. And I'm going to take that on a fan brush, and I'm going to highlight the high parts of my face. For lips, since this look is very fiery, I'm going to go in with the KathleenLights Colourpop Collab Lip. This is in the color Really. Very orange. Holy smokes. I'm gonna skip setting spray today just because I'm gonna be taking this off probably not too long from now. I might run to the store and then come back, but I don't really need it to sit all day, so I'm not going to use setting spray. Usually I do use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This is my hands down holy grail setting spray, so if you want it to last all day, that is what I would recommend. And that pretty much completes this look. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you're giving it a big thumbs up and subscribing, and I will see you next time with another new video. Bye guys!